Hi everyone, it's finally starting to feel like fall here. The mornings have been nice and cool, and with those mornings I have been craving my great-grandmother's hot chocolate. Now her original recipe makes 2 servings at a time, but I like to have a big batch ready. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have my jar, and then I'm going to take 3/4 cup of sugar. And then a cup of dark cocoa powder. And then I'm just going to mix it all together until you can't tell the difference between sugar and cocoa powder. And that is it. To make the hot chocolate is always better for sharing, and her recipe is difficult to separate it into one serving, but 1/3 cup of the mixture for every 2 cups of milk, your choice. And you just put the milk on the stove in a small saucepan. You add 1/3 of the cocoa powder mixture and you whisk it until everything is dissolved and the hot cocoa is to the temperature that you want it at. The great thing about this recipe is that you can use any milk of your choice. In our house, we prefer almond milk. Cow's milk seems to mess with our stomachs, but also when you use cow's milk, I highly recommend adding a teaspoon of vanilla to the mixture. So with the mixture, it's 2 cups of milk for every 1/3 cup of cocoa powder mixture. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy some nice hot chocolate.